ish thing.
We're not painting.
Painting.
English.
Painting.
What?
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. And tonight I have with me Courtney.
Hi, follow me on Instagram
At
Courtney, spelled with a K. She'll write it.
Because I'm like, it's kind of complicated. Anyways, guys, I'll leave it in the description and in the video. So, in this video, we will be doing pumpkin carving. So, I've never done pumpkin carving before. Courtney's never done pumpkin carving before. So, there should be a fun competition.
We're gonna be Americans.
For the first time.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Like, so I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time because, like, I don't know, like, anything about pumpkins.
Okay, first off, you already cheated. Turn around.
I didn't do this.
Look at this. It already has a face.
Bro!
Look.
It's an ugly face, though.
I mean, that's what it's all about.
I ain't using
You're
that.
cheating.
I'm using this side, though. I'm using this side. Guys, is it true that pumpkin sweats? Like,
I can relate by just sitting and just sweating.
oh, so you're saying you're a pumpkin? Oh, we already discovered that last video. So, guys, let's get into the video. So, guys, since we've never done this before, what we did was went on Amazon and we looked up pumpkin carving supplies. I hate this because I don't celebrate Halloween, but yeah. Anyways, so we just looked up stuff online and we're just gonna.
Voila.
Yeah, we didn't even look up how to use them, bro. We're gonna be like,
if I'm harmed in this video, it's all her fault, even though I caused it to myself because she didn't sign a waiver. Well, I didn't sign a waiver.
exactly. So you on your own. There's no contract holding me accountable.
Well, exactly. So I can sue you.
Exactly why you can't sue me, because there's no contract signed holding me accountable. I'm not responsible.
You are responsible.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, in this video, I am not responsible for anyone, any injuries, except for my own. Okay? Okay. So,
Let's label them 1 to like how many, and then put it in like a little thing, and whoever picks it, use one of these.
no, let's shuffle them and we just run them.
How you? No.
Yes.
Because you can see at the back.
No, we're going to close our eyes. You're going to close your eyes when I'm showing you, like, you're going to pick any random one and you do the same to me.
If she cheats, let me know.
You can watch it in the video. Okay, so close your eyes. Okay, now you can just feel anyone. You can pick anyone. Damn! I kind of wanted that one.
This looks hard.
Okay.
Okay.
That's gonna be weird. I don't know if it will fit.
Yeah. If you find a good spot, we'll see.
Okay.
Have to make it work. Close your eyes.
It's closed.
No, it's open. I see white stuff.
White skull.
Oh, you have white skull in there, guys.
Hurry up!
How you shuffle this? This
You're
was
making
hard.
me nervous. Stop! You're giving me a headache.
How you shuffle this? Okay. Pick your poison.
Ah! Easy one. This looks like a dog. Is it like a puppy?
Yeah. So
Okay.
looks like something sticking out.
It's like a puppy with its tongue sticking out. Okay.
So, how the hell?
How are you supposed to do this? I don't know.
What does the box say?
We need
It
markers.
says, choose a large pumpkin with a sturdy flat base. It's alright. It says, create a lid by cutting at a 45 angle No, that's not how you do it. You should use a marker. Trace the design with the dry erase marker. You should cut this first. Scoop out all the bad stuff. Then.
Damn, that's a lot of work. How are you gonna cut it?
Let's put this over here. I don't think that's the one. It didn't even say which picture.
I think this is gonna be a disaster. They're gonna be laughing at us the entire time.
First injury.
So dramatic.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do like a. It says.
Ooh.
It should be a zigzag though. So.
For what?
For the pumpkin. So. Okay, this didn't work as. That's fine.
I'll wait until you're done. Cause you're not gonna win me.
But I am though.
Guys, comment down below who you think will win before you go any further in the video, okay? I want to see what y'all thinking.
I know it's probably too early, but why not? Because I don't even celebrate Christmas, and I hate Christmas. People like you, I want to call to help me clean up a murder. Because look how tacky you are. You're going to have all the blood splattered on.
At Groove, we wanted to design a ring.
Gross, this is gross, this is gross, this is gross. This hard ass mouth.
I messed up the mouth. I'm so mad.
That's good news for me. How does it feel?
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me. You don't like that, do you? Then don't do it to others. It's not nice. Jolly-o. Chip chip. Cheerio. Are you done?
No.
You made this look easy on the box. Still mad. With white people in. This is not good for the baby, you know that.
What baby?
My baby.
What baby?
My baby inside of me. It's growing.
I will patrol.
Yeah, take care?
No, you gonna take care of it.
Then why are you hoping it's true? If you ain't gonna take care of my baby.
His life and death lies on the power of your tongue. And you just saying things, so.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you.
Guys, I don't know how to save my mouth.
Just cut it off. If the right hand deceive you, cut it off. Something like so.
To right and offend you. Guys, so right now there's like way too much light on in the house. So we're gonna turn the lights off and take a picture at the end so you could comment below.
Wait, let's see
which
the
one
picture.
is your favorite.
Let's see the picture outside, and I finalize it. I want it to ooze out. But of course, you guys are gonna pick me because why not? Like, it's Courtney. There's so much mess. My head won't go on. I don't know why. Like the front fits, but the back, the bumper too big. I don't know what's happening.
More like the head back to it, but nothing talk about that.
You can put. That's how you put it in.
You can put it in either way. It don't matter.
It's not fair.
Let me see which one is my favorite.
Let me turn off the light.
Call more jack up, but your one better because you have more zigzag.
Turn off the light beside you. I didn't do nothing. You can barely see it.
That's why I said wait till after we could turn the lights on.
I mean, they're all off right now.
No, but you still have that light on.
Well, you using your British accent.
Cause why not?
You're not British.
You're not.
I was born in Britain.
My last name is British. Well, Scottish, but
Yeah.
similar accent.
No, it's not. The Scottish is really jacked up.
Like your life.
You know what? I don't need your negativity.
So guys, comment down below who you think won the competition. Personally, I think Courtney won because I like hers better. I really hate my mouth. Like, it's all messed up. Like, I feel like we should have had better supplies, like for the decoration or the design.
I feel like it should have been stickers.
Yeah, because it was difficult using the paper. Like, it's a no-go. Like, the supplies aren't bad. It's just the stickers, the decoration, the designs. Like, they were really hard to use. So, yeah. Well, this is my very first try. So, well, first and last. I ain't doing this again no more. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So, yeah. can comment down below. Who
Do you
think
like
won.
Charlie or Becca? That's a Becca. This is Charlie. Do you like Charlie?
Oh no, this is DT.
The hell is DT? Downtown?
Donald Trump.
Oh,
This is my pumpkin.
Anywho, we're not affiliated with Charlie is not affiliated with that.
Okay, guys, I'll change the name. This is Becky. Okay, this is Becky. So, guys, yeah, comment down below who you think won the competition. We're gonna put pictures here,
And here.
No, we're not.
Oh, why not?
Yes, guys. So we're gonna put the pictures, and I want you guys to comment who you think won the competition. And yeah, what you gotta say?
Like, subscribe, comment, and follow me down here.
And you guys can follow me on Instagram as well at Marla's_world. Marla's with a Z.
I always see people do that. Let me try.
So anyways, guys, yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. And yeah.
Bye.
Bye.